Amy. Jim, the water is up around the carriage. Carriage means what? The building to keep cars, the area. That part of the building also surrounded by water. I thought it was just a pool in the garden. What she thought? That was a pool in the garden, swimming pool like that. The water is there like that. She thought, but it's like that. She unable to complete the sentence. Now, Jim said it soberly. Soberly means seriously. The river. She thought that was a swimming pool like that in the garden, but it was the big river like that. The water surrounded in their house. Yes, yay, that's Old Man River himself creeping up to your door. What Jim saying? The Old Man River himself creeping up. Creeping up means what? Moving quietly. Jim and Amy watch it a moment. Jim and Amy watch it a moment. A second, they watch the water. Amy shudders. Shudders mean shivering, getting fear. In the fear, she shivered. Amy, oh Jim, I am scared. Scared means getting afraid. Jim, placing a hand on her shoulder. Put her hand on her shoulder. He said, steady old Paul. Paul means friend in American English. We have been through bad things before and come out safely. We have been through bad things before and come out safely. Remember the school fire. He is recalled the school fire. First thing, we must not let the others see how scared we are. At any cost, we should not allow to see others how much we are in afraid. We don't show our afraid to out. Second one, next, get all the things you can together here. What are the things need? Everything we have in our hand. Water, food, blankets, coats, lights, everything we have. I'm glad I served on the Junior Red Cross Emergency Squad during the war. I am glad. I refer to Jim. I am glad. Glad means happy. I served. Served means worked in the Junior Red Cross Emergency Squad. JRC. Junior Red Cross Emergency Squad during the war. During wartime, he was a member of Junior Red Cross. That time, he was trained a person to face natural calamities. So, he know how to face the problem during natural calamities. Like that, he was trained. It is too bad you live in a bungalow instead of a two-story house. Now, it is too bad. Why he is saying too bad of her bungalow? Instead of a two-story house, two-floor house means now they can go to the second floor. But this is the bungalow only. So he is saying this is too bad. You live in a bungalow instead of a two-story house. But we can always climb into the attic. What is attic? Attic means what? A space inside the roof of the building. Okay. First have to climb there only and onto the roof. After climb into the attic, we have to climb onto the roof, like that he said. Amy, still staring out the window. Staring means looking fixedly. Looking fixedly. How fast is the river rising? How fast is the river rising? Do you think, Jim? You see the river rising very fast. Do you think? Like that she asked him. Jim, I don't know. And it might stop before it reaches us. The river should stop before it reaches us. If only the rain would let up. First the rain have to stop. Then only the water will not reach us. We will signal for help from the roof. After climb the roof, we have to give the signal for help. They will send a boat or something. Like that he planned. Who? Jim. Rose entering left. That is stage, no? She entering left side. I have got enough fresh water to last us a week. I brought fresh water for a week. Who will send a boat for us, Jim? And from where? She asking Jim. Who will send a boat for us? And from where they will send the boat? Like that she asked Jim. She goes to the window, screams. Scream means making high sound in the fear. Horrors, fear. Look at the river. She also looking through the window, seeing water, and in fear she is making high sound. That is scream. Yummy. Whoosh, Rose. Whoosh means ask her be quietly. Ask her to be quietly. Whoosh, Rose. Don't tell the others. Jim says we will be all right. Let's see what food we have on hand. She changed the topic. So she's saying what food we have on hand. Let's see. Like that Amy told Rose. Betty entering left side. Here are the lights. Because she only in charge to lights. Here are the lights. Did you say food? Hark. What is that? Hark means pay attention or listen. Listen. What is that? They are hearing some sound. All four stand perfectly still, listening. They all stand silently and listening to the noise from where this is coming. From far off, a child voice is heard. For them, a child voice is heard. Sarah. Who is Sarah? Rose's sister. Sarah. Rose, it's me, Sarah. Like that, she is making high sound.